I thought I would review for you the Week 10 communication assignment. This is an assignment where you're to tell the difference between a gerund phrase, a participial phrase, and an infinitive, and use the subjunctive mood using were. I wrote some sentences right here, and I want to show you what they are. Using Microsoft Word, and I'm just going to highlight this, is a gerund phrase. A gerund phrase begins with a word ending in ing, and in this particular case it's serving as the subject of the sentence. Using Microsoft Word, it's the subject. The predicate of this sentence is. Is a linking verb. The second sentence, this one begins with wanting to know how to format Excel, also begins with ing. The difference between the two is that this begins with ing. It stops with a comma. And immediately after the comma, it tells who wants to know about more how to format Excel, and it's I. So it'll always have the subject immediately following the participial phrase. Now, right here, if I were able to squeeze more classes into my schedule, is a subjunctive mood. Were is contrary to the fact. I absolutely can't squeeze more classes into my schedule. You would not say if I was able to squeeze more classes into my schedule. The next thing you're supposed to look for is the infinitive. And the infinitive is the word to plus a word that can be used as a verb. So I look up here and I don't see anything in my first sentence, but I see to know here. So to is begins with to, follows by a know. I know how to ride a bike. So that is a word that could be used as a verb. And we also see to and format. To followed by a word, format. I format the document, so that can be used as a verb. And I look down here, I took classes to squeeze. To followed by a word that could be used as a verb. So now I'm finished with the assignment. I have 3 infinitives. I have 1 gerund phrase. That's the first one. I have a participial phrase. That's the one that takes a comma and the subject immediately follows. I have the subjunctive mood. That's contrary to fact. And I have 3 infinitives. I hope this has been helpful to you in understanding this assignment.